Right guys, just a quick video of a new CPA program I've just started promoting. It's called Earn Easy Commissions. Now this is the page that they give you to promote. Now it's not like other CPA networks where you've got a lot of different offers to promote. It is CPA, but it's not a network as such. It's a little bit like Yoonla. Except these guys pay $1 a lead, whereas Yoonla pay $4 a lead. However, there's some massive differences. Firstly, this is the page they give you to promote, and this is converting really well. I haven't actually set up any paid traffic campaigns. I've just been emailing one of my lists, and so far it's converting really well. And the reason is it's like a sales page, but it's got lots of. It shows the steps, what it's all about, what they have to do, lots of testimonials, lots of proof of income. Whereas Yoonla they don't like you to share proof of income, which I've never understood. They want you to call it a digital lifestyle, whatever that is. Yeah, good luck getting conversions calling it that. Anyway, so yes, it's converting very well. Now, what is unique about this system? Although you're only getting paid $1 for top tier leads, if anybody upgrades, you can get $100 for that upgrade, even though you've not paid out any money. Whereas with Yoonla, you have to buy your hosting, you have to buy your get response account, etc. With this, you don't. You can just sign up, grab your affiliate link, and start promoting. Now, if you upgrade, you can earn up to $500 on top of the leads you get, and you also earn an extra 20 cents on leads, so you actually earn $1.20 for your leads. So yeah, it's converting really well. Yes, it's a good system. Just sign up, send an email out to your list and test it out. I'm having really good results with it so far, and I don't see why that won't continue. Just another good little offer, and more importantly, these guys pay weekly. They pay you every Sunday. So when you're lazing about on a Sunday, expect a nice little check for them into your PayPal account. Okay, so yeah, highly recommend it. Just get signed up, give it a test to your list if you've got one, or post to a few Facebook groups. You know, a lot of you do that, guys do that, and test it out.